If you guys have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this, I'll request you to subscribe and also click the bell icon. I hope you don't miss out the next video. In this video, I have come out with something different. Looking at the title, you must have come to know what this video is all about. Please have a look at this video which I am going to play now. Well, this video which you have seen now, I had to take 721 pictures. Well, it took me around 3 hours, 3 or more than 3 hours. So you must have come to know 721 movements along with 721 pictures. Things which are required to get a perfect stop motion animation video is a tripod, better lighting, and any stop motion app. It can be a stop motion studio, or it can be Lapse, the one which I use to make the animation. Well, I tried this for the first time and definitely it was fun, a lot of fun to make this type of video. So what is stop motion? Stop motion is basically making small moves and taking a picture of each movement. Once you capture all the pictures, you need to take it in an editor and play it. I will show you a small example. I will move the plane from point A to point B with small movement and click a picture after each movement. Once done, open the video editor and get all your pictures in that. And arrange it in sequence and play it. It will look something like this. Hope you have enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed it and if you have liked my attempt, I will request you all to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.